Lesson number 5, the family of water. Okay, here 1, 2, 3, 4. Father, mother, and 2 children are there. Drop of water falling, it may rain. Oh, drop of water, are you here? Drop of water is talking to you. Children, look at these plants and trees enjoying. If it's rain, they will be happy. Yes, look at them. They are charming. Drop of water. Today I had been to the river with my sister. Did you? The fish, frog, and crab in the river were also happy. Yes. See, they had been to the near river. See, when I come to the earth in the form of rain, all the living beings feel happy, don't they? Yes, drop of water. Now, Kannada ma'am is taking poem, no? Frog. See here, you can see that frog. Can you see? Everybody is waiting for drop of water. Even the frog. Yes or no? Have you all beheaded Kannada poem also? Yes. Drop by drop in the form of rain, I come to the earth. I flow in the form of stream and join the rivers. All the rivers flow into the sea. There are different kinds of plants and animals in the river and sea. Look here. It is the picture of a river. Identify the animals. Write their names in the space provided. What is this? You have to write that. What is this? What is this? Fish, tortoise, swan, crane. This is crane. This is swan, fish, turtle or tortoise, crocodile. You have to write. See, here is the picture of a sea. Look at the animal that live in the sea. Look at the animal that live in the sea. We have seen this also in the last semester. Yes or no? Some of the animals are live below. Write their names below their picture to space them in the proper habitat. Write their names in the suitable column. Where do we see this crocodile? In the river or in the sea? In the river or in the sea? In the sea, no? And this one, frog, in the river. So please write down the crocodile name and frog name. Then what is this? Dolphin. And this one? I'll search and I'll give you all these names in the next class. Then starfish. The starfish and jellyfish. These fishes you can see in your fish tank. No. You can see in the river. And this is seahorse. Seahorses are horse. No, the seahorses it grows 5 inches, no? Or 5 centimeter. We can see in the sea, not in the river. We have to take these pictures, pictures name, we have to write over here. Tortoise we can see in the river and in the sea also. If it is both side, we have to write those names here. Have you seen a pond, a river or a sea? Collect the pictures of the plant and animals that live there. Paste them in used notebook. We have to paste in the notebook itself. I'll tell you when to do that all. And here, how many plants and animals are living in water? She is asking. See, when it rains, everything looks green. The plants and trees grow and become beautiful. The pond and river flow full of water. Oh, how wonderful it is, no? See, when the rain comes, our nature looks full greenery. But it will not be the same in the summer. In the summer, how it will be? It will be very dried. True, ponds and streams will dry up. There will be less water in the river too. Yes, drop of water. Of course, drop of water also what it will say? Yes, it will be full dry up. There are ponds and rivers in your place, aren't they? Or there are ponds and rivers in your place, aren't they? To show the level of water in them, put right mark in the below given table. Source of water: river, lake, stream, others. Rainy season: in the rainy season, source of water: river will be high, average, low. In your locality, it will be average. In winter, it will be average. In summer, it will be low. River: what is the percentage of river? Okay. Lake: it will be in the rainy season high. In the winter season, it will go average. In summer season, it will go low. Here also stream: it will be flowing, full of water, high months, and here also high. When it comes to summer season, it will become low. Here almost average we can give and we can make it low. The summer season we cannot say the river water level. Yes or no? Why does the level of water in the river, ponds and wells vary during different seasons? Ask your elders and know the reason. Why? Children, have you observed plants and trees, animals in different season? It will be very less water. Yes, drop of water in summer. The plant and trees lose their shine due to the shortage of water. Even the birds and animals lose their livingness. Now, drop is saying during rainy season, the ponds and rivers flow with a lot of water due to rains during summer. The ponds and rivers become dry due to heat and absence of rain. Yes, drop of water. You are essential for all animals and plants. We also need you. Yes, I am essential for all. Do you understand it? Shall we sing a song? Yes, sing and enjoy. Rain, rain, come, come, the gardens are dry. Rain, rain, come, come, no water for banana garden. Rain, rain, come, come, help us grow crops. The living beings are thirsty, they are waiting for you. Why are you so angry? Come and make them happy. Rain, rain, come, come, help us to grow crops. The rain fall on the earth drop by drop. The crops on the earth grow and grow. There is happiness all around. The earth is beautiful and greenery. Like this, you have to sing the song. Today's homework is you have to sing this song by seeing. By seeing, okay? You don't know the spelling means garden, banana. This is also garden. All these are very small. You can try to read. Living being, thirsty, waiting, and earth, drop, happiness, beautiful, greenery, angry. Okay, today's homework is you have to read this poem. R-A-I-N rain, R-A-I-N rain, C-O-M-E come, like that. And when you are making video, place your mobile carefully and neatly, then say rain, rain, come, come, the garden are dry. Rain, rain, come, come, no water for banana garden. Like that also. Fluently you have to read. Not like a B-A-N-A-N-A. Don't read like that. But then say by seeing. Understood? Thank you, students.